Hi everyone, let's get started with the skin prep, but first I'm gonna use this skin moisture meter. Just turn it on, touch the probe on your skin and hold it for a couple of seconds. Then on the LCD display you can see the oil and moisture level of your skin. Now Dermaco has recently come out with their 5% propylene oil-free moisturizer and today I'm gonna put it to the test. It has 5% propylene glycol, 1% hyaluronic acid and ceramide complex. And also this is free from fragrance, paraben dye, mineral oil. I love the texture of this. It's so lightweight, non-greasy, it provides you deep hydration and it's very calming on the skin. This is enriched with 5% propylene glycol that secures moisture from the deeper layers of your skin and takes it to the skin's outer layer, providing long-lasting hydration, while 1% hyaluronic acid locks in essential moisture, keeping your skin hydrated all day long. And ceramide complex prevents moisture loss, protects and strengthens your skin barrier. The best part is this Dermat approved oil-free moisturizer gets absorbed instantly and it's not heavy, sticky or greasy, so perfect for the summer season. Now let's try again the moisture level of my skin and you will be surprised by seeing the result. Look at that, now it's green in color. I've been using this moisturizer non-stop from past 7 days and it provides you longer lasting hydration, but it's also a great alternative to the emolene cream. Every time you buy from them, Dermaco will link your order to a child that they help educate along with Bhumi, and they have empowered 15,000 students this year with their Young Scientist initiative. This is available on Dermaco's website, Nykaa, Amazon, Flipkart and Purple. Don't forget to use my coupon code on their website for extra 20% off. Now I'll be using a color correcting primer to hide my dark circles, pigmentation and blemishes, and also I feel the day my skin looks a little bit dull, this primer kind of brightens up my skin a little bit. This is the concealer I rely on during summer because it's waterproof and sweat proof, and I don't really use foundation whenever I'm going out on daily basis. So this is a full coverage concealer. It looks really nice on the skin and it's very long wearing, so whenever I skip my foundation I use this and then I set it with a loose powder and I'm good to go. Then I'm using this loose powder to set my under eye and T-zone area, and it's really good at oil controlling as well. So it's really affordable, does its job pretty well, and can you guys see the difference? Now I'm using a brow pencil to fill in the gaps of my brows so that my brows look nice and structured, and then I'm gonna brush it upwards and outwards. Using a brow gel to set my brows in place so that it doesn't move or budge, and next using a setting spray to lock the base makeup into place. To add some color to my cheeks, I decided to use this Dear Darling tint from Etude House. This has a beautiful lightweight gel-like consistency and it looks beautiful on the lips, but if you have textured skin, acne prone skin, or if you have dry patches, please don't use it on your cheeks, otherwise it's gonna cling onto that. So yeah, it was looking a bit patchy on my face. Next I'm using this Nykaa Get Cheeky blush duo. I love how fresh it looks on my face, so I love using it throughout the year, but especially during spring and summer. I went a little overboard with blush, so I'm using a little bit of loose powder on top of this. This will set your makeup and also it will tone your blush down. So yeah, that's a tip. If you went overboard with your blush, just apply some compact or loose powder on top and it will balance it out. To finish off my eyes, as usual, I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply 2 coats of mascara. After that, I decided to use some color eyeliner because the makeup was looking very basic, so I want some pop of color. And this eyeliner was recently sent to me by Nykaa. Now this has a good pigmentation. It has a waxy sort of texture, so it's not very smooth or creamy. You have to gizzify a little to get that desired pigmentation, but it's waterproof and very long wearing. For my lips, first I'm using this Dear Darling tint and then I'm gonna let it settle a little bit, and then I will move on to the next lipstick. Till then I'm gonna use my highlighter. This is a highlighter, it's cult favorite. I think it suits every Indian skin tone. It looks so beautiful and it has that bam effect. All you have to do is apply a little and it will give you that desired glow. I love how beautiful it makes my skin look. For lipstick, I'm using this Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade 59. I love how beautiful it looks, and if you are from deeper skin tone family, just apply a lip tint underneath and then apply a lighter color lipstick. It looks beautiful. So yeah, that's how it looks. I love how the makeup has turned out, but I wanted that Korean blotted sort of a lips. For that, I'm using this Dear Darling tint in the center of my lips to get that pop of color. And that's the finished makeup look. I hope you guys like it and find this video helpful. If you do, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.